Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Fossil's Kitchen. Today we are taking a little break from the kitchen and heading outdoors for a berrylicious adventure picking wild blackberries. This one's a real treat, especially for those fortunate folks living in an area blessed with nature's beauties all around. As you can see, not far from my home, we have these amazing bramble plants. They are like treasure tree that give us blackberries in the late summer to early autumn. Now let's dive in. Look at these juicy blackberries. They are like hidden treasure in the wild. But be careful, they've got some prickly and thorny friends on those branches. And trust me, they are not sweet as the berries. For safety when picking blackberries, remember our thorny friends. Gardening gloves are a wise choice, but I prefer the hands-on approach. I mean, who can resist feeling those juicy berries between their fingertips? And be sure to bring a container to store your berries. To pick a blackberry, gently hold it in your hand and give it a good twist. If it comes off easily, it's good to pick, and if it's stubborn and doesn't want to let go, just leave it to ripen a little bit more. These berries are picky eaters. They want to be just right. Be mindful of insects before picking blackberries. That's why it's essential to thoroughly wash them before eating. Here the flower buds haven't matured into fruit yet. I believe it will take a couple more weeks. While I continue filling my container, here's a fun fact. Blackberries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. A tasty and healthy treat. If you want to explore some delicious berry treats, well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my upcoming tasty blackberry recipes, starting with a yummy blackberry cheesecake. Now, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Share your favorite ways to use blackberries. Pick only the ripe and shiny blackberries that comes away easily from the plant. Don't pick the red berries as they are not ripe yet. Also, avoid picking overripe or mushy berries as they are not good. Oh, it looks like the birds got a head start on some of the berries and few have dried up. Let's move on to another branch to find the freshest and juiciest one. Here comes some cycling enthusiasts. It's amazing how nature can bring people together. It's moments like this that make outdoor adventure truly special. Nature, berries, and unexpected encounters with fellow nature lovers. Alright, we've had our berrylicious adventure today. We've learned how to pick wild blackberries and even made few prickly friends along the way. Remember, you can use these blackberries in a variety of recipes, from pies to jam, or just enjoy them fresh. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll show you how to wash, prepare, and store these freshly picked blackberries. That's it for today's outdoor escapade on Fossil's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow berry enthusiasts. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these outdoor foodie adventures. Until next time, happy cooking and happy berry picking.